Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to program a key fob for a 2005 to 2014 Ford Mustang. Now in this video, I will be showing you how to program both of these. We have an upgraded key on our left and then the normal key fob on our right. So if you're programming either of these, it's the exact same operation. Now let me show you that now. And all you'll need to do this is one single key to your car that already works. Okay, so these are the four that we will be programming today. Two of these are upgraded keys that have a key fob built in, and then two regular key fobs. All of these I have picked up from Amazon, but you can get them at eBay or your local parts store. Also, you want to go ahead and have every key fob that you want to program here right now, because any key fobs that aren't here will be unprogrammed with it. Okay, so we'll just take the key that works with our vehicle. And what we're going to do is we're going to stick it in, turn it to the on position 8 times, and then we'll turn it off, on. You're never going to crank it. And on the 8th time, you're going to leave it there, and you'll hear the doors lock and unlock. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, we're in programming mode. We'll take our first one, we'll hit lock. That programmed successfully. Grab your next one, press the lock. Now we'll do our regular key fobs. And one more. There we go. And as you can hear, it went ahead and booted you out. So I guess the max you can have is 4. So that's something to know. So now we'll go ahead and take our key out. The last thing to do is test them. So those work. And the trunk works. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.